Before we start working on the car, make sure you're following basic garage safety. Wear safety glasses, gloves, support the vehicle with jack stands. Also, disconnect the battery before working near airbags.
2020 Hyundai Elantra sell Copart auction purchase time to see if this one can be saved. The car arrived with heavy damage, front bumper windshield completely shattered, driver's side fender and door damage. First step, inspect the damage, checking body panels, frame, and engine bay to see what needs repair. Removing damaged parts, fender, bumper components, and trim pieces need to come off. The windshield was destroyed in the accident, removing the broken glass before starting repairs. Cleaning the area and preparing the car for replacement parts. Installing replacement body panels and structural parts, final alignment and assembly of panels and trim. From wreck to rebuild. Another Copart project completed.
Thanks for watching B Auto Mechanic and EV Rescue. Real repairs, real solutions, real mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video.